agile and deadly.
Oh, hell. Don't do it, Juan. Oh, Lord, then you climb the whole tree barefoot. Good God, my father.
But little creatures of the forest aren't so lucky.
Oh, he finna be dead.
The white-lipped green pit viper is like a high-tech
Look at that nigga
detection
face.
device,
The
engineered
nigga
to
green.
hone in on prey.
And see,
The forked tongue flicks molecules of scent into something called the Jacobson's organ on the roof of the mouth, which alerts the brain that a potential meal is in the vicinity.
So you stick your tongue out and you realize you finna eat. Okay.
The viper hangs motionless, ready to pounce.
See, that's how you know that nigga scared. Nigga lurking. Like, oh, Lord, have mercy. Been the two of y'all need look no more. Oh, Lord. Okay.
At the right moment, hinged fangs
oh, no.
pop open like a switchblade, preparing for the strike.
Gotcha, bitch. He too shall not be in the sequel.
Futile. As the muscular coils tighten, the springbok ever so slowly asphyxiates.
You choked the hell out that poor thing.
What comes next seems impossible.
Damn.
The snake starts to swallow its meal in one
This
big
motherfucker
gulp.
here.
This springbok weighs about 132 pounds.
Well, he used to before he got ate.
Yet
This,
slowly,
whoa.
methodically, the hungry snake swallows it up.
Man, hell
Boobs and
no.
all.
Man, why would God create a nigga that could eat a whole nigga like that, man?
This snake may not eat
Look at this big
for a
bastard.
year. But even in this bloated state,
Then he had nerve still be fat and quick. I tell you, see, don't sleep on fat folk. We quick.
this amphibious hunter defends itself even when its hunger has been satiated big time.
Shit.
Branches.
Oh, hell.
Usually a mamba will try to escape from humans.
Oh,
In a
no.
tree, it may
Not the
have
people
nowhere
from
to flee.
Wakanda. Don't kill them.
Seemingly trapped.
Oh, damn. Oh, she ain't here no more. Oh, Lord, again.
Paralyzing toxins race through the bloodstream.
Yep.
The venom attacks the body's muscles, heart.
She ain't gonna be in Black Panther 2.
And when the muscles stop working, the victim begins to asphyxiate.
Done asphyxiated. Past tense.
Death can come in just 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
The black mamba's bite used to be almost 100% fatal.
Oh, it ain't?
Now, with antivenom, hospitals can save most victims. But only if they get there in time.
But if you fall out by yourself, you won't make it. See what I'm talking about?